Didn't I tell you how jealous I can
Let me lick you, kiss you, baby. I'm a pervert. Let me be a soldier. Let me tease you, squeeze you, baby. I'm a pervert. Let me explore you. Hey, sugar. I get hypnotized by you, my whole life. Close my eyes every night and you'll be with me. Listen, your touch, your kiss, your hands, your lips, it makes me feel so good.
baby. Didn't I tell you how jealous I can
Let me lick you, kiss you, baby. I'm a pervert. Let me be a soldier. Let me tease you, squeeze you, baby. I'm a pervert. Let me explore you. Hey, sugar. I get hypnotized by you, my
Well, hello, my pretties. Welcome back to Sondra Unfolding. So today we're going to be getting into what I ordered versus what I got. Always like to show you the things that you see in a picture and you order it. Did it meet your expectations or was it a fail? These are the kind of tops that I love to get for the summer. So first we're going to start off with the first top that I got from SHEIN. This is the first top. Now, these can be used for so many things. They can be a cover over at the pool, at the beach, and it can be just an everyday wear. They are everyday wears for me. And I'm just loving the colors, make me think of Jamaica. Knitting on this is so lightweight and soft. I'm not for those very hot days. You will be cool and you still look fashionable. It has the V collar. Now I got this in a 3X because I wanted it to fit a little oversized. And I just wear me like a cami underneath it, a real light cami underneath it. You don't have to. You can wear tube top. You can just wear a black bra if you would like. But this is the first top that I wanted to show you. Ooh, la, la, la. Ooh, la, la, la. Ooh, la, la, la. Ooh, la, la, la. It's the way that we rock when we doing our thing. Ooh, la, la, la. It's the natural law that the refugee. Now let's get into some home decor. Decorate with me a little bit. Sometimes you have a vision and your vision does not come out the way you want it to come out. So I wanted to put curtains up. I've never put curtains up in my den as long as I have owned my home. I've never put curtains up. So I wanted to change this time and I wanted to add curtains. So I tried me some it's like a golden color. It did not work for me. I did not like it. So I had hubby take them back down. I said, I'm going to go with white. Can't go wrong. The sunlight will still be able to come in. The gold curtains, the sun, it just made it so dim in the house. I am a content creator. I am a fashion stylist. I need light in my home. That's why those curtains would not work. It made it too dark and stark. It was just too dark in the house. So we went with the white. Now, my dilemma with the white curtains were, I bought like 4 on each window. If you see in this picture here, I just didn't like the way you still seen the wall and it just looked a little cheesy to me. So I ended up having to buy some more curtains. Then I put 6 on each window. Something about it still just didn't look right. So when you see the curtains now, there are 10 panels on each window. And I love the fullness of it. And it really brings out the den the way I pictured it to be. So next, I have the same thing, but I had, if you like it,
do it 2 times, 3 times. I had to just do it again. So I got it in this color as well. Same V-neck, 3X, and I just love the color scheme. Can go with a lot of different outfits that I have for my summer wardrobe. And I am really just getting into buying new clothes as I continue to lose the weight slowly and healthy. I'm losing. I have to keep the price right, but I love these tops. And if I could find these tops in more colors, I would get them because I like little throw-on things. This is good if we go on vacation. This is good if I just want to throw on something Saturday and Sunday, because every now and then you might have to go buy something or you want to treat yourself to something. That's what we're trying to get at in this economy, not overshop, but to shop our closet more. But these are just things that I bought, but I made sure the price was right for me, and I'm sharing them with you. And this now we want to get into this wine rack. Saw this, it was a clock wine rack, and I needed something to put on that wall. I just had an old bar cart there and just a picture, and I wanted something that was going to make the den pop. So I bought this clock. When it got here, it was broken and it looked cheesy. It didn't really look like the picture to me. I sent it back. And then I came into this wine bar rack, and I'm glad that I changed it. Now this wine bar rack came out better than I imagined it would. And after that, I didn't like my old bar cart anymore. So I started looking on Amazon again, and I found this bar cart that matches the wine rack perfectly. Even though I really didn't need a new one, I've had that one for like 12, 13 years. It was time for a change. This is the wine rack that I got on the wall. It came and I had to put it together. I hate putting stuff together, but this one was pretty easy. I did it all by myself. Not even my husband helped me. I did it all by myself. I got this box from Amazon, and I am getting ready to put up this project. I did not know that this was going to come unassembled. You would think the way it was, it would come assembled, but it's not assembled. And these are the directions. It's terrible. You can't even really read it. So I'm going to have to go by the picture and do it myself the best way I can. It's a lot of screws. Let's see if I can get this together.
Cool.
Okay, I got it halfway done. We're coming along. Okay, it's all done. Let's see if I can lift it up. It's hard to see it, but you'll see it. You'll see it on, it's hard to see it, but you'll see it on the wall. But I got it all done. All done. Okay, I got it put up. There we go. And that wine rack has a glass holder at the bottom. I really love the way it came out. Next, we have this top here. Now this is a more dressy top. This is the sleeves. Now I would give this top a 4 out of 5. I like it. I like the way it fits on me and everything, but it's not, I don't love it, but I do like it, and it's very dressy for a nice dressed up occasion. I will be wearing it. A size 3X. Let me show you the bottom of it. Let me show you a picture too. This is a 3X. It fits very well, and I'm happy with it, but I rate it a 4. So this is another what I ordered versus what I got. And I think I was happy with all of these top purchases from SHEIN.
That I feel when that belly starts to peel, I could swear I was falling, swear
get into the bar cart. When I looked and I found the bar cart and it matched the wine rack, I said, this is perfect. It's perfect. So when it came, I had to put it together. So me and my husband, we put it together. It was not bad at all. We put it together quick. It didn't take a long time, maybe an hour at tops. And I love the bar cart as well. Now I got some pillows. I got these pillows from HomeSense. Hope I'm saying it right, because sometimes I get Home Goods, HomeSense. Got these brown pillows just to throw on, because look, this is, like I said, a place where we live in this room. Me and my husband, we watch movies, we eat in the room, we lay around on the couch, we get the wear out of it. So I didn't need to spend a lot of money on my pillows. But I've got these pillows, and when I got to the register, they were 50% off the price that I thought they were. So I spent like maybe $11.50 for each pillow, and that was like a steal to me. Then I got this one pillow from Marshall's. I got this from Marshall's in Atlanta. I have been looking for this pillow in all the Marshalls that I ever go into, and hopefully one day I will find it, because I bought one, but I really would like to have two of them. Now this pillow I got from Marshall's when I was in Atlanta, and they only had one, and I love this pillow. I checked the Marshalls where I live, all of them, and I cannot find this pillow. So I'm glad I still bought it, because that's how much I liked it. But I'm going to show you the other ones that I bought from at home, and they were on sale too. I got these pillows. If you could just see the material, like a suede. Got these from at home. And these were on clearance. So I just want this color beige to go behind the round pillows. That's what we're working with so far with the pillows. 2 times a year where we do a deep clean. We take one room at a time, because that's all we could do is one room at a time. And we do that deep cleaning that you don't usually do. You do your surface cleaning. So we want to move furniture, clean the baseboards, and do all kinds of things. But I really wanted to switch up some things in my den. I was getting bored with the look, but it's a place where we spend a lot of time, and I don't want to make it where we can't live in it comfortable. We want to be able to lounge around, lay around, eat in the den and everything. So I just made a few changes, and I love it, and I want to share it with you. Now I'm going to share the whole room with you as it is now. This is my chest here. This used to be a bar, but now I just hold like toasters and blender and everything inside here. This is how it looks. This is the candle I got from Costco. It's a sand and fog candle. And I got these from HomeSense as well, Amazon. Now we come over here. The TV is a curve TV. I've been had this TV for a while. And these are just some decors that I just left all of this pretty much the same, okay? So when we come over here, this is the wine rack. And I have my glass holder on the bottom. And this is the bar. Right here. And I just think it goes together perfectly. These are the curtains here, 10 panels on each. And I just like the fullness of the curtains. These are the pillows that are on the chair. And like I said, we lounge around on this chair all the time. I took, if you've seen my old videos, you would know that I had a table in the middle of the floor. I just wanted to be open, no rug, and where we could play games. When the grandkids come, they have open area to play, do puzzles, or whatever they want to do. So this is what I've changed. Mostly the curtains, the pillows, and the bar rack, and the bar, and just added on some new accessories. And that's it. That is it. And that is the den. And I just feel like it's new. Those are just the changes that I did in the den. I want to thank you guys for tuning in once again to Sondra Unfolding. If you're new here, I hope that you enjoy the content and become a part of the family. My subbers who always click in no matter what and support the channel, I thank you. And I will see you guys all on the next Sondra Unfolding.